Hello everyone, this is Luis Costa, and with this lecture we will learn how to speak with Portuguese persons or people that speak in Portuguese. And we will always have English translation and Portuguese translation. So how to say hi or hello in Portuguese? In English, of course, it's hi, hello, for example. And in Portuguese, normally it's spoken or written like this: Olá. You can repeat after me again: Olá. So how to greet, or how do we greet someone with a question after? In English, for example, it's hello, how are you? And in Portuguese it's again the olá. Como estás? Let's repeat again. Olá, como estás? So how to respond to that question? This is a mere suggestion. In English, I am well, thank you for asking. And in Portuguese, how do we speak? Eu estou bem, obrigado por perguntares. Again, eu estou bem, obrigado por perguntares. And now another suggestion. In English, I am well, and you? In Portuguese, eu estou bem. E tu? Again, let's repeat. Eu estou bem. E tu? So, mainly this is how do we greet people in Portuguese. I hope that you understand. If you don't understand or have any suggestion or question, please feel free to say it or ask it. Thank you.